Time to fire up our DIY engines. We have a new guide to share with you. In this episode of the Keystone How-To series, we'll show you how to build a round fire pit using either our Alameda or Insignia retaining wall systems. Available only at Lowe's. Make sure you're ready to tackle the project by gathering all of your materials and supplies. This fire pit design works perfectly with a Garden Treasures 35-inch painted steel wood-burning fire pit. You can find it at your local Lowe's. All of our projects require the same basic set of tools, which can all be found at your local Lowe's store. We want you to enjoy your hard work without any injuries, so make sure you have the right safety gear. Your city or county might not allow an open fire pit in your yard, so make sure you're aware of the local codes and regulations. Before you grab a shovel, it's important to choose a safe location for your fire pit. Pick a spot well away from structures, overhanging trees, and power lines. It's also a good practice to make sure a garden hose is within reach. Remember to call 811 to check for buried utility lines before you dig. Using a spike and string, mark a 27-inch radius for your excavation. Use your shovel to excavate the area to a depth of 8 inches. Remove any large stones and debris, then use a hand tamper to compact the base. Add base material a few inches at a time and compact until you have reached a depth of 4 inches. That's it for the base. On to the build. Arrange 12 blocks around the perimeter of your prepared base. Make sure to leave a 4-inch border around the course. Remember to lay the blocks chamfer side up. Use a level and dead blow hammer to make small adjustments. For the second course, dry fit 12 more blocks so they're offset from the first course by half a unit. Once your layout is complete, remove a few blocks at a time and apply 2 1/4-inch strips of exterior-grade concrete adhesive around the entire first course. Carefully replace the second course units on top of the adhesive to ensure a secure fit. Continue adding courses using the same method until the 4th course is complete. Dry fit 12 caps around the top of your fire pit. Once you're satisfied, use concrete adhesive to secure the caps in place. Your fire pit will need some protection on the interior. Normally, you can use a custom-built steel shield, but for this guide, we'll be using the shield from the Garden Treasures wood-burning fire pit, available only at Lowe's. Nice, a perfect fit. Who said you had to go camping to enjoy a toasty, crackling fire? Remember, this guide works with both Insignia and Alameda retaining wall systems. You'd be surprised to see just how many beautiful projects you can complete with both. Check out more animated how-tos, printable guides, and other ideas on our website at keystonewalls.com. Brought to you by Keystone, retaining excellence.